In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix keyboard not working on Chromebook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, keyboard failures on Chromebooks are usually divided into two categories: a software hang in the input controller or a hardware lockout. If the entire keyboard is unresponsive, the hardware controller may have crashed, so a standard reset doesn't always reset this chip. So what you want to do is turn your Chromebook off, then press and hold the refresh key, which is the circular arrow on the top row. While holding refresh, tap the power button. Now release refresh when the device starts up. This is going to force the keyboard and touchpad controllers to reinitialize. So use an external USB keyboard or the on-screen keyboard if the power button is part of the main keyboard layout and isn't responding. And if only the top row isn't working, or if the keys are behaving like standard F1 to F12 keys, go to settings, then device, then keyboard. Look for the toggle treat top row keys as function keys. Ensure this is off if you want icons to work. And check action keys, so ensure your search or launcher key hasn't been remapped as well in the same menu. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.